Good morning, students. Today we are going to deal with the poem A Legend of the Northland, composed by Phoebe Cary, who was an American poetess, taken from your Beehive reader. Students, a legend means an old traditional story, usually with a moral teaching. So, students, the poem teaches us not to be selfish, inculcates the value of kindness, generosity, and charity towards all human beings. This is a ballad poem, means it narrates a story in short paragraphs.